Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will discuss illustrating geometric sequence for grade 10 mathematics. Kung bago ka lang napadpad sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na para tuloy-tuloy ang iyong pag-aaral. For our pre-activity, let us explore what is a geometric sequence. Please observe the figure or the series of the stars. What do you notice on the figure? With regards to the number of stars for each row, did you recognize a pattern? On the first row, we have 1 star. On the second row, we have 2 stars, 4 stars on the third row, and 8 stars on the fourth row. So, the number of stars in each row form a sequence 1, 2, 4, 8, and what do you think is the next? The next number is 16, and how this is happen? To discover the pattern, what will you do to 1 to become 2? First option is we will add 1, but the correct is we will multiply it by 2. Next, what will you do to 2 to become 4? Same what you did to 1 to become 2. Again, we will multiply 2 by 2 to become 4. The same what you will do to 4 to become 8 and 8 to become 16. In other words, you will continue to multiply 2 to the preceding term to get the next term of the sequence. And we can say that the sequence 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 is a geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence where each term after the first term is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a non-zero constant. Common ratio denoted by lowercase r is a constant multiplied to each term of a geometric sequence to obtain the next term of the sequence. Common ratio is obtained by dividing any term to its preceding term. Let us now take an exercises. Number 1, what is the common ratio of the sequence 5, 20, 80, and 320? In the problem, a sub 1 or first term is 5, a sub 2 is 20, a sub 3 is 80, and a sub 4 or last term is 320. To get the common ratio, we will divide any term by its preceding term. So, r equals a sub 2 over a sub 1 or a sub 3 over a sub 2 or a sub 4 over a sub 3. The common ratio is 20 over 5 or 80 over 20 or 320 over 80. All of them, the quotient is 4. Therefore, the common ratio of the sequence above is 4. Number 2, what is the common ratio of the sequence 2, negative 10, 50, negative 250, and 1250? In the problem, a sub 1 is 2, a sub 2 is negative 10, a sub 3 is 50, a sub 4 is negative 250, a sub 5 is 1250. Again, to get the common ratio, divide any term by its preceding term. Again, we have 4 possible options but choose any one. And we chose the lowest, which is a sub 2 over a sub 1. A sub 2 equals negative 10, a sub 1 equals 2. Negative 10 divided by 2 equals negative 5. Therefore, the common ratio of the sequence is negative 5. Number 3, give the first 5 terms of the geometric sequence whose first term is 8 and the common ratio is 3. Since a sub 1 equals 8 and r equals 3, the first term 8 will be multiplied by 3 equals 24. 24 multiplied by 3 equals 72. 72 multiplied by 3 equals 216. 216 times 3 equals 648. Therefore, the first 5 terms of a geometric sequence whose first term or a sub 1 equals 8 and common ratio or r equals 3 is 8, 24, 72, 216, and 648. Another, number 4, determine the next 3 terms of the geometric sequence, 16, 24, 36, and so on. First, determine the common ratio. Use the second term divided by first term or a sub 2 over a sub 1. Substitute a sub 2 which is 24, a sub 1 which is 16. To simplify 24 over 16, we will divide both the numerator and denominator by its greatest common factor which is 8. 24 divided by 8 equals 3, 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Therefore, the common ratio for this sequence is 3 over 2. To determine the next 3 terms for the geometric sequence 16, 24, and 36, to get the next term to 36, 36 will be multiplied by 3 halves. Cancel 36 and 2, we have 18. 18 times 3 is 54. 54 is the next term. To get the next term, 54 will be multiplied by 3 halves. Cancel 54 and 2, we have 27. 27 times 3 is 81. 81 is the next term. To get another next term, 81 will be multiplied by 3 halves. 81 times 3 is 243 over 2. So the next term is 243 over 2. Therefore, the next 3 terms for the geometric sequence 16, 24, 36 are 54, 81, and 243 over 2. Fifth and last problem for this video. Determine the next 2 terms of the geometric sequence 4x, 16x cubed, 64x to the 5th, and so on. Again, the common ratio equals a sub 2 over a sub 1. A sub 2 equals 16x cubed. A sub 1 equals 4x. 16x cubed divided by 4x equals 16 divided by 4. X to the 3 minus 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. So our common ratio is 4x squared. To get the next term to 64x to the 5th, it will be multiplied by 4x squared. 64 times 4 is 256. X to the 5th plus 2 equals x to the 7. So the next term is 256x to the 7th. To get the next term, 256x to the 7th will be multiplied by 4x squared. 256 times 4 is 1024. X to the 7 plus 2 equals x to the 9th. Therefore, the next term is 1024x to the 9th. Therefore, 256x to the 7th and 1024x to the 9th are the next 2 terms of the geometric sequence above. Again, kung nakatulong sa inyo ang video, please like at pakishare mo na rin sa iba para mas marami pa ang ating matulungan.